we have to discuss on the Mendel's law of segregation. This is the second law of inheritance. When question asked on the law of segregation, state and explain the law of segregation, that we have to how we have to represent the answer, that we have to study in detail. First of all, we should have to give the statement, then explain with example, explain with monohybrid cross, and represent diagrammatically. So first of all, we should write the definition or statement of the law of segregation. Law states that in hybrid individual or in F1 generation, or in the hybrid individual, the factors of parental characters may remain together, but may remain together without changing its nature, and separate or segregate purely during gamete formation. This is the statement of the law of segregation. Law states that in F1 generation or in a hybrid individual, the factors of the parental characters may remain together without changing its nature, and segregate or separate purely during gamete formation. So here what happened? During gamete formation, pure factors may separate. Pure factors, dominant factor or recessive factor, purely separate without changing its nature. So law of segregation may also known as law of purity of gametes. So during meiosis, the gene or factors or set of gene may separate from each other. So Mendel explained that whatever the factors of the character, whatever the factors of parental character remain together without changing its nature in the hybrid individual. But during gamete formation, they separate from each other. So, law of segregation may also known as law of purity of gamete. This law explains about the separation or segregation of the factors during gamete formation. For example, when we cross the tall pea plant with dark pea plant, F1 generation produced. Here in the F1 generation, dominant factor and recessive factor came together, remain together throughout the life without changing its nature. Factor remain as it is. But during gamete formation, what happened? During gamete formation, what happened? For example, when the tall hybrid with dominant and recessive factor remain together. But during gamete formation, during meiosis, what happened? Meiosis, before gamete formation, meiosis takes place, and during meiosis, the dominant factor separate and recessive factor may also separate purely without changing its nature. Hence, here what happened? The factors of any character remain together in the hybrid individual and may separate during meiosis. Hence, the law of segregation is also known as law of purity of gamete. परीक्षेमध्ये प्रश्न विचारला जातो. State and explain the law of segregation. State and explain the Mendel's laws of segregation. Then first of all, काय करायचं आहे? डेफिनेशन द्यायचं आहे किंवा स्टेटमेंट द्यायचं आहे, एक्झाम्पल द्यायचं आहे आणि F1 जनरेशन पर्यंत हायब्रिडायझेशन करून दाखवायचं आहे. कुठलेही कॅरेक्टर घ्या. टॉल कॅरेक्टरच्या ऐवजी तुम्ही कुठलेही कॅरेक्टर, हाईटच्या ऐवजी एक्झाइट कॅरेक्टर घ्या, पोझिशन ऑफ फ्लावर कॅरेक्टर घ्या किंवा पॉड शेप घ्या. असे वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे कॅरेक्टर तुम्ही घेऊन क्रॉस करून बघू शकता. आणि या ठिकाणी गॅमेट हे प्युअरली सेपरेट होतात हे आपल्याला दाखवायचं आहे. F1 जनरेशन काढायचं, F1 जनरेशन पर्यंत डायग्रामॅटिक रिप्रेझेंटेशन द्या आणि नंतर अशा पद्धतीनं सेपरेट झालेले म्हणजे गॅमेट फॉर्मेशन. F1 जनरेशन मध्ये गॅमेट फॉर्मेशन कसं होतं? हेटेरोझायगस monohybrid individual produced two types of gametes. One gamete with a dominant factor and another gamete with a recessive factor. So, when you are representing the law of segregation, you have to use monohybrid cross. And law of dominance also explained by using monohybrid cross. So here, in the law of segregation, gametes are purely separating from each other. So this law is universally accepted. Thank you.